like I said, I would really like Tesla to just go up through the high of day. Yeah, I think it's going to do that. Come on. Get through the high of day, freak everyone out, and then come topping down. Oh, look at Netflix. NFLX. Let me take a look at the daily. Oh, yeah, it's getting down to yesterday's. Oh, okay. Here comes NVIDIA. But, you got the VWAP right there, too. But it looks good for a short. I kind of like MU. Look at MU. Okay. It's going up to the top. Now let's see if we can break underneath. Kind of looks good. Wow, AMD also. Interesting. Tesla's got that strong, support right there. There's also a very, very good chance that Tesla could just go sideways all day too. We always forget about that,
Yeah.
Like it's not out of the norm that it could just, go sideways. All these stocks could. There's nothing has to just go straight up or straight down. But, Tesla looks good. Still for a short. I like the 2-minute is looking a little bit bearish. 15-minute looks like it's bullish retracement into those moving averages. Like I said, I'd rather see Tesla go up. Break out over the high of day, trap everyone, and then come slamming back down.
CRWV coming down.
Which one?
CRWV.
CoreWeave? CRWV. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at how strong, look at how much they're holding MU from dropping today. They're like, no. We're taking over the top of yesterday, but we're going to hold it up here. It's not going to drop, but then we'll make it drop. I like this big old topping tail on MU. So that's what I'm saying. If MU can get underneath this green bar, I would really like to short it. Oh, come on, Tesla, keep going. Keep going up. I took all my shares off the table, so it doesn't matter now what it does. I'm gonna let this 5-minute play out, and then we'll see if we get the 5-minute doji, if we get a higher move. It says I can do 7 shares now, so. Oh, wow. Okay, the market's up and away. Maybe. NVIDIA looks like it is showing definitely relative weakness to the market. I think you're right about CoreWeave, although, it's coming back to retest the support.
Yeah, it's hitting a 20 right now. I don't know if it's gonna bounce or it's gonna keep going break through that.
Yeah. I know. I hate stocks that you think this is a pretty good risk to reward if I do it right here, but you're also but the location is pretty bad. Hood looks great. Oh, Netflix is going crazy, but I didn't do it.
Oh, damn, what? Yeah.
I just was looking at it. I was like, it's expensive. The amount of shares I could take. I was like, I can't really take that many shares. It's $1,000 stock.
Yeah.
I can take 1 share, so I kind of was a little bit.
Doesn't matter, one share, it's still a good
unit. Yeah, that's true. Well, it would have definitely worked. I'll tell you that. It was. That's the value. That's the power of a daily chart too. You in any trades now or no?
No, I'm still watching. I thought about just kind of special sauce into a Tesla, but too late now.
I'm thinking it's a level 1 right here. Looks good. It's crossing over, crossing through. We just took a 2-minute level 1 on it, so hopefully that's not a mistake. It's the only way I could get 10 shares on it. Would definitely like to see this back at 410. It's got a lot of support though, which kind of sucks. Like, you know, like you can see like there's a 20 period moving average on the 15 is still the only thing that's got going for me is the 20 on the 5 is it's above. But it's got a really tight, like Oliver Velez calls them narrow moving averages or tight moving averages. When all the moving averages are all kind of bunched together, he says that's the best place you want to be with your trades, like when you want to get into a trade. Mm-hmm. But he said the problem is you don't want them to be all on opposite sides of each other. He calls that the trap zone.
Yeah.
Because he says you just get lots of jagged moves up and down, up and down, up and down. There we go.
There we go.
You got the Tesla with me?
I did not.
Okay.
But
no problem.
Because right now, not so. I thought about doing this special sauce, but I didn't.
Yeah, well, it's hitting the 20 now, so let's see if it bounces at the 20. But
the 60,
Oliver Velez says, like, if you can have, I think it might go to the 200 right here. This is a 410, 406. Got a lot of support. Yeah, he says you don't want to take trades in the trap zone. You want to take trades when all the moving averages are in alignment. And like, for instance, SBET, that's all the moving averages are in alignment. It looks great.
Oh, damn, I missed on Google. Nice.
What's going on? Google's going down?
No, it's shooting up.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, I see HIMS is shooting up too. Yeah, Google. Oh, wow. What the heck is going on with Google?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you a great example of the trap zone, NVIDIA. You got VWAP. You know, that's something that I need to definitely avoid, is trading inside the trap zone. It's just total crap. Unless you're okay with getting, like, you know, going in smaller and allowing it to go against you and then you know, add back in. But yeah, it's like dog crap. What's going on with Google? Why is it going up? It's a nice move. MU is still holding strong. It hasn't been able to crack the low, that low that it put in. 5-minute low. I was so excited about shorting this one. I thought this would be a really nice daily chart too. You know, like a new high and then a dump after the new high. But I guess it's not going to do that. Okay, Tesla. I think Tesla's going to bounce here at the 20 on the 15, which is what it's doing. Very annoying. Google probably has a little pullback here on the 1 minute time frame.
Yep. Pulling back.
Hood shot down really good. If you'd taken that short, you would have made a little bit of money, but now it's coming back up. So there's the bullishness in the market is definitely heavy. I mean, definitely strong. There is no denying it.
QS.
QS? Oh, okay. I remember that one. QS. Oh my gosh, what? That's beautiful. Clean move, too.
Yeah. Inside day.
Oh, inside day. So I wonder if it'll retrace back to yesterday, you know, kind of low or something.
Yeah.
Take a look at IONQ. That looks interesting. Try to go higher first, and now it's kind of look at that. Yeah, ooh, it might actually go down. IONQ.
It has a trap.
It might, yeah, it has the trap that I wanted to see Tesla have. That makes things a lot better. Still has some moving averages right there, but let's see what it does after it gets through them. If it ever does, it may not go down.
CRW, we make bounce here. I don't like CRW.
Oh, take a look at MSTR. What's going on with that? But that's a level 1 on the daily, or almost possibly doing a level 1 on the daily. So that's not bad.
MSTR?
Yeah. You see that move? So it already cracked the pre-market low, and now it is cracking yesterday's low. Oh, well, it broke it for a second. Oh, I found a cool. Oh, here comes IONQ. I kind of like it.
Yeah, it just triggered me in. Dang, my computer, my system is so slow right now.
It's so slow. I hate that. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I have this new cool thing, this indicator that tells me, oh my god, okay, so yeah, we got to do MSTR somehow. It's broken yesterday's low now. All right.
That's not gonna be short.
Oh yeah, I think it is. I think Tesla's a short back down to 410. What was I gonna say?
To the 60.
Yeah, that's the problem. Is that 60 is the 20-period moving average on 15, and so we are shorting into that.
Yeah.
But if you believe that the 5-minute is going to be a stronger move than the others, then probably works. Come on, MSTR, keep going, buddy.
God, why is it so slow today?
What's up? Sorry, say that again.
My computer is so slow.
It's so slow, yeah. Ooh, SPY just put in a topping candle. I wonder if that will cause the sell-off that we need. MU is still holding strong, but look at it. The market is going up, and what is MU doing? Nothing. So I think really it's just reliant on this market. If the market decides to do a pullback today, then I think we'll definitely get a drop on MU. But until that time, there's no trades to do yet on MU. I don't want to take it to the upside because there's no pattern. It's just like buying green bars,
Yeah.
But I think this Tesla might have found a bottom. I'm looking at the 2-minute. Yep. I think that 20-period moving average that you mentioned is holding it.
Yeah.
So I got out of that. I'll just let the 2-minute do its thing. And maybe if we're lucky, Tesla can actually rally up over the 20, come slamming back down, and then we have this really nice pivot that we're going to short. But other than that, it's really hard to be bearish. QS, wow, it's working good.
Dang, look at UNH.
Is it going up?
No.
Oh, yeah, it's level 1. Created a level 1 on the daily.
Yeah.
Tell you, man, when you can pair those dailies with the pair them with the intraday, you have such a better chance of having a good trade.
Oh yeah. No, I just got out of the UNH swing trade.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I think. Oh my God, MU is still gonna go up. What in the heck? That's wild. I can't take that because there's no red bar or anything. And look what happened to SBET. Sorry, IONQ. So we're underneath. Yeah. Oh gosh, of course.
Yeah, I got out in 2 minutes, and I'm gonna wait for the secondary entry.
Okay, nice. All right, let's see if we can get this drop. I think UNH, if it comes back up a little bit, we got a nice little retest maybe. And then Tesla, I think, back down to 410. It's not unlikely. Especially with the market going up and Tesla not showing any signs of strength, which is kind of cool. But there's some support there. So just watching it. Wow, MU. What a beast. Have fun, baby. All right, here we go. Tesla down to 4. I'm targeting now. Tesla down to 405. I would love it.
Apple is also coming down too.
Oh. Yeah, that looks like it's going back down too. But it's just inside day. Let's see what Apple's doing. Apple. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's a nice trade on Apple. Coming back down to retest the previous bar. This is a tricky one. You don't want to short here. Here's a 200 on Apple. But, you know, if you're thinking you can make it work, then heck yeah, go for it.
Dang, Apple's
Stuck.
coming down.
Yeah. There was definitely a nice trade to be had earlier on it, for sure. You're a little extended now. Let's see what it does. Just wait for a green bar. You know, let's see if it gives us a reason.
Wow,
Okay.
Look at that. Suiting up.
Which one? IONQ? Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes that's just a retest from yesterday. Just retesting yesterday's low. That's one thing I watched from that guy Desi he talked about. He was saying he doesn't short into, if something is gapped up, he's not looking for a short. He's looking for a long. And if the stock ends up selling off and it touches yesterday's low, yesterday's close or yesterday's high, that's when he's thinking about going long. I was like, yeah, that makes sense. Why would you know?
Yeah. They may go long Google here.
Oh yeah, the Google is a great daily chart. Yeah. Qs are going up. Oh my gosh, market's still going up. Yeah. Still going up. Nvidia's back up. MU's back up. MU. 95. Here's Tesla. You really thought you could capture the low on Tesla. This is the area to buy.
This may be
level 1.
This may be the low.
I'm going to try it. I'll try it for fun.
Yeah.
See if we can get back up to VWAP. I'm not expecting through the high or anything. I'm just thinking through VWAP or up to VWAP. And then we could maybe see what it does there. There it goes, right? Little bounce.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, MU is through yesterday's high. Will it come back and retest and then fail? Or will it go back down? And then this is kind of cool on Apple, on Tesla, because Tesla is bouncing this level one. If this level one fails, then we'll have a green bar ignored underneath the 8, the 20, the VWAP, and the 60.
Yeah,
and to target back down to 400 and something would be not a bad move. So I think like this long idea is good, and then thinking about that it could end up being a short eventually too.
Yeah. Google not going.
Google's not going. Let's see. GOOG.
Guys,
Good
Oh, hi,
morning.
Lynn.
I just get our RMPS.
Okay.
Thinkorswim is instead like a stop, I put on stop on the active trader. This is a mistake. Instead of putting on a stop, it triggered me because I don't know why.
Oh, okay. I understand.
But I did it pretty good, like manage all by all.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
great.
I went to just like suit up. Man.
Which one?
I went to.
Yeah.
Which one?
Testing yesterday's low, coming back up. Yeah.
Which one?
IONQ.
INOQ?
IONQ.
Oh, IONQ.
IONQ. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Well, the market. Look at the market's going up too, so pretty good. Take a look at MU though. I think MU is above yesterday's high, but it doesn't look like it's as strong as the market. Oh, nice little level one on the hood here.
But
I
pay
don't want to.
attention on RMBS. It might be climatic.
RMBS. Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna just,
RMBS. Is that shortable on our platform?
I think so.
How much does it cost? Let's see.
TA, your job.
I feel slow, so I'm just. Oh wow, IONQ.
Wow, IONQ.
Yeah.
But
Well,
it's
how much-
climatic. Look at daily chart.
I know, right? Like, who would want to buy this high of day? It's crazy, but
I know. I'm scared.
yeah, I know, it's so funny. We're like totally chicken. Yeah, how much does RMBS go for? Because that's a pretty nice move.
Yep.
May add to this Google if it's wake up.
If it goes up, yeah.
SA. Daily charts reaching the resistance.
Okay.
SA.
SA, okay.
Very
Nice.
clean chart. Very clean chart. I love it.
Oh, okay, cool. TA, how much does that RMBS go for?
Oh, RMBS. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, my computer is freaking slow. I don't know why.
That's alright,
yeah. RMBS didn't say anything, so I don't know.
Oh,
Didn't
okay, it has the no information basically, right?
Yeah.
I hate it when they do that. So the market's going up, QQQ SPY's going up. HINS is going up. hands broke out over yesterday's high, very briefly. I think this Tesla is going to be probably a drop underneath the green bar. We'll see.
Yeah, I got out on that kind of like once it finished.
Yeah.
So that could be a nice special sauce back down.
Yeah.
I added to Google, see if it can keep going up.
Oh, nice. There's a RMBS, but you know, I'm not going to do it.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Let them test.
Oh, Google's nice. That level 1 off the VWAP, really good.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't fake me and then come back down.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how much puts are for Tesla. So if you wanted to buy a put that was the I don't know, the 400, it would cost you about $530. And that would expire at the end of the week.
Nice.
If you wanted to buy puts on that, if that's what you felt like the swing trade could be a good idea. Based on, remember TA what you were saying?
Hmm.
So that's if you think it, you know.
Oh, check out Apple. You might like that short.
Okay, let's see. Apple APL. Yeah, 3-bar play to the downside. Not too bad, not too shabby. It needs to get underneath that moving average, but yeah, once it does, it'll be pretty good.
Oh my god, I hate that it's so slow.
Your thinkorswim is so slow right now.
Yeah.
What shows you that it's slow? Is it just the candles move like at a snail's pace?
I know, like just like entering typing in things, it's just taking a while to like show up.
Oh, okay, I understand. Let's see, MSTR from earlier broke the low. Okay, we're retesting yesterday's low. This is not a bad area if we get a level 1. Wow, IONQ is going up again. Let's see the market, SPY. Take a look at this market.
Alright, come
Give
on,
it to
Google.
1 minute to look at the hourly chart.
Oh dang, I went Q. Wow, we were wrong about that one.
Yeah. I mean, we were right about the beginning idea of it, but wrong about how long it would go for because you can't short into yesterday's low. You know,
Yeah.
probably not a great idea.
Okay, so I'm up on Google right now. Hope we can retest the high.
I think there's definitely a possibility for that. For sure.
Ooh, yes.
Okay, anybody get MSTR with me?
MS.
At the level 1 right off of the beautiful area. Right off of yesterday's low.
Yeah.
I love
Check-
this new
yeah.
study I have.
Check
It
out-
gives me pre-market high, pre-market low.
Check out
yesterday's.
WB.
Which one?
WB.
WB. Is that Warner Brothers?
No, I don't think that. One of the way WBD.
Oh, alright, let's see.
Try WB. Let me see. It has that nice level 2 going up.
Okay, let's take a look. WB. WB. Oh, that is nice. Wow. Good daily chart, too.
Yeah, come on, Google. Yes.
There we go. Very nice. Here comes MSTR. Come on, buddy. Come on. Break the pivot low. You take a partial right there near the pivot low. That's always a great idea.
Oh, MSTR, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, right. Beautiful area, right off the VMAP.
Yeah.
Right, right off the yesterday's low. Now, will it continue to go lower? I'm hoping.
Hmm.
It looks good. It looks good. A nice rejection there. Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it through the low. Come on, MSTR. Now, this is an interesting one. MU, I don't trust it to the long side. I think it's more. It's going down into. Oh, NVIDIA's finally cracking. Okay, will we finally get a drop on NVIDIA to the.
Oh, have to sell it.
Let's see here.
I don't think Google can hit my target. I may have to just get out pretty
Nice.
quickly. This already in like 3 bars, so I wonder if it's gonna pull back.
Oh, okay.
I could take a partial, I guess.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Okay. Look what happened to once Island Q got over the high of day.
Oh my gosh.
So now it's pulling back, but we don't know what's gonna happen exactly.
The three bars seem to be pretty effective, and so like it's probably gonna do some pullback.
Yeah, that's why I always take profits into when I'm in a trade and I see 3 consecutive bars.
Yeah.
I always take profits, and then I always take profits into prior lows or prior highs if I'm in a trend. Because I just know, okay, it's
Can
probably
get out of this Google here. Almost make 10 on that one.
Oh, nice, man. 10R? What the heck?
Yeah.
You did your special sauce technique to get the.
I did a special sauce to get in, and then I add to it.
Wow. Well, you've discovered something that basically is with what I wish I could do. I don't know how you're doing, but I guess you're gonna have to teach me later.
Yeah. Watch the video later. I kind of changed the layout a little bit so you can see my entry a little bit better.
Oh, cool. Okay, thanks, man.
Yeah. So
I would love to learn because that's my problem. Is I have good trades, but they don't make me 10R.
The problem is because you wait for the confirmation. I think I will kind of keep going. That way you can miss out on a lot of profit.
Yeah. You're probably right.
But yeah, ultimately you just go with the trend.
Yeah, so you're always doing it with the trend. You're never doing counter trends with this technique.
There was, that depends on. There are times when I do go with counter trend. If it's going too far, like into a moving average.
Okay.
Tesla, one time I did a counter trend where it's dropped right into the 20.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think it's on the 60. It's dropped too fast on the into the 60. So I'm just gonna try that, and then it works. And make 10
Oh, okay.
That was like a quick 10R too.
On the Tesla one that you mentioned?
Yeah, that was a while back. A couple weeks ago.
Because if you can make 10R on a trade, that means that if you lose 1R, it's not a big deal at all for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Because if your average win on a trade is 10 Rs because you know how to.
Oh, 5R, not 10. Then sometimes happens.
Okay, but still, 5R is 5 times the amount that you lose if you lose.
Right.
So, and can I ask you, and if when you do your thing, your way of getting your share size to be to the point where you're going to make this 10R or 5R or whatever it is, if it went against you, would you still only lose 1 R? That's the thing I need to
no,
know.
once you add your average, oh my god, don't do 15 hours on Google. Once you add to it, like once I add to it,
Yeah.
my risk, my average price cost is gonna like going up with the trend, where I add.
Okay.
So I have to just like if it's come down to my entry or maybe 1 hour loss, I just have to get out and then wait for maybe a different setup.
Okay, I understand. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Here comes Tesla to the upside.
you can watch it later and see if my entry was good.
Okay. Yeah. Because that's the part that I like sometimes like I'll be like, oh, I made this many R units on a trade, but then I'll look and I'll be like, well, technically it was like 3 trades. So technically, even though maybe I made like 6 R units or whatever, I really only made 2 R units because I had so much on the line as a risk.
Yeah.
To where then I realized like, oh, I need to definitely hold myself accountable for the idea that there is a chance that I didn't, like if I do this type of technique and I have a loss, I'm not going to lose 1 R anymore. I'm going to lose, 10R. And then I end up realizing that's not really a real 10R anymore for me now. It's like, it's still good trading in a way. There's still like value about what I did and how I added to the trade. I just have to remember that like it's not really 10R, it's this many R units because I actually had 3 R units on the line as a risk, not just 1 R unit. So I feel like if you only have 1 R unit on the line as a risk and you make 10R, then you can say like this trade netted me 10R. This is one trade. But if you make 10R but you built up a risk unit of 5R, then you can say like, yeah, you made 10R, but you were risking 5. And so in all honesty, the amount that you're risking, that's what you should then take as your unit. So then you go and look and say, you know what, actually I made 10R, but I actually was risking 5, so really I made 2R.
Yeah. Well,
but it's not a bad thing. It just means that you now have a way of adding to your trades that is really amazing.
No, like once you add to it, you also want to move your stop too because now, oh my God, Google, that's 15R for me.
Oh, you're still in Google and you're up 15R?
No, I wish I got out when I hit 10R like that. That's also
gosh, amazing, man. Amazing.
That's I should have wait for the ball and then move my stop rather than just get out.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So here's the 20-period moving average on Tesla.
Well, here's the drawback with my strategy that once I stop move, I'm like so itchy to like lock it in because.
Yeah, because you have a lot of risk on the table, right? Or no?
I mean like I'm in the profit. I'm in the green. I'm in 10R, and I don't want to give it back.
Yeah. Take a look at AMD. I shorted AMD. I'm hoping it would get down to 157. It's hard because I'm going against the overall market trend. But AMD is, seems like it's on its own page.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking. I was gonna talk to you about the other day. Like, on my trade, I don't get to like write the ball by ball all that much, but I do make like 5 ball.
Interesting. So you don't write it bar by bar, but you're making so much on it.
Yeah. So should I? Like, what's the good balance? Like people who would do like in the past when I go ball by ball. Once in a blue moon, I would hit 5 ball, but then that's like not that many times.
Yeah.
With this one, I hit 5
what you
ball
could do is, I think bar by bar is always the best for management, but I think if you feel uncomfortable doing 5-minute bar by bar, then go to 2 or go to 1. I don't think it's wrong to do bar by bar in any time frame because the reason why it's like bar by bar or like counting to 3 or something like that is if you've done enough back testing, you know that like, oh, like this this type of like management, is, I guess the idea I think is you want your management to be not emotional. You don't want it to be anything about the way you feel. Like, oh, I should get out of this. It's already up. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're thinking I need to get out of it because I'm already on 5R, and you take a trade, but you haven't even done a level 1 on a 1 minute time frame yet.
Yeah.
You might have left 10R in the tank. There might be 10R left. You never know, right?
Yeah.
Like, and how many trades have I've sent you some really crazy trades before where like the stock was like, doing its thing, and then all of a sudden out of nowhere it dropped like 20R.
Yeah.
And you're like, just imagine being in that and you're like up 3R and you're like, okay, great, I'm locking it in, only to get out and see it drop 20R afterwards.
Yeah.
So you might as well just, have some sort of
ASA level 1.
ASA?
No, SA.
SA, okay.
When this Boris finished.
What the hell, man? I hate that.
AMD is going down for me, which is nice.
Yeah, that's it's interesting that AMD coming down. The market also coming down. Google and
Yeah,
Tesla
I think eventually it'll come down. I got a few shorts. I have that Tesla long, but I'm thinking it's gonna fail soon.
It's above the VWAP.
Yeah, it's above the VWAP. Yeah, it could keep going.
Or it can go sideways.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking more likely. It just basically chops around the whole day. I love this indicator that I put on, this new indicator. It's just a line. It's just 2 lines. It's 4 lines. Pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday's high, and yesterday's low.
Nice.
And it's really helping me see, like, for instance, right now, I don't even have to look to the left on AMD. It's giving me pre-market low right there. So I know pre-market low on AMD is right there. It's like just makes trading pretty easy.
QS, Jason. QS.
QS? Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's awfully like AMD from earlier when I took the AMD short. And also what's really cool, too, is I can see, like, for instance, and I got one more line on it, too. It gives me opening print. So it tells me, like, the opening print. Because Joshua Salvetti, that guy from the HBT Cross that I really like him, his trading, he said the main levels that you need to watch out for in the market is you need to watch out for pre-market high, low, yesterday's high and low, and opening print of today. Because he said,
what's opening print? Is that like
opening print is like, for instance, take a look at HIMS right now.
HIMS?
HIMS, yeah, HIMS. If HIMS is right now at the opening of when it opened in the morning. I think
is that just a line or a range?
It's the line, like where it opened from. Yeah.
Okay.
And so if you know where the stock opened and it's coming back to where it opened, there's a big chance he talks about this, and same with a bunch of other people I've heard. They say people will defend the opening print. And if you can see, it's almost like VWAP. It tells you if buyers or sellers are in control, because if something is below the opening print, that means it's automatically red for the day. If something is above the opening print, that means it's automatically green for the day, right? Because it's the open. It's the very first print.
Check out NBIS for a short.
NBIS or NB?
NB.
Oh, B. Okay. Okay, NBIS. Let's take a look.
That could be a 3-ball play on the 15th.
NBIS. Yeah, that's pretty good. Daily is tricky, but yeah, very nice. So yeah, he says like they'll try to defend the opening print, and he says it's a great indicator of whether or not if they can't defend the opening print, either short or long, it tells you that it tells you a little bit about like the sentiment. Like, oh, they're not able to hold. Like for instance, HIMS. HIMS can't hold the opening print right now, so there's a very big chance that HIMS might go red on the day.
But it's still above the opening, isn't it? No.
Yeah, almost there. It's at that area. So we'll see if it can't defend it.
Okay.
Whereas like MU has not fallen underneath its opening print. It's still holding strong. It's above all the moving averages. Okay, Hood's going really well for me. I'm gonna take a partial here on Hood.
You're right. You didn't short the RMBS.
Oh, is it still going up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. All right. I'm getting out of MSTR. I freaking hate this stock. It just bounced at those pivot lows like I thought, and now it's just going sideways. And I have no edge just sitting in this. I took a partial. I thought maybe we'd slam through the low, and we did, but we did a new low failure, of course, right? So now it's just,
All right. Look at him getting into the opening print.
Yep. There we go. Let's see how it defends it. Let's see. Oh, for instance, like right now, Tesla might actually be almost at the opening print too.
Yeah.
So I've added that indicator. I really like it. I mean, it doesn't help like amazing. It's just another thing to kind of.
Yeah.
It's like having important resistance lines, It just tells you like.
It's something you can have a quick glance and kind of like gauge what it's doing.
Yeah, you can see if like, okay, is should I be bearish or bullish right now, depending on how it's where it's at, or not, I think thinking in terms of bearish and bullish is wrong. I think the better way to think about trading is various degrees of bearish and bullishness. Because I think when people are like, I'm bearish on this stock, I'm like, well, how bearish are you? Like, you think it's going back down to like, how low do you think it's going to go? Is it just going to go like one bar? Because I could be bearish on something for just a quick scalp,
Yeah.
But I'm way more bullish on it for like a higher time frame trade. So I feel like you can be bullish and bearish all together at the same exact time and just degrees of it based off of what you're doing. And I think that's a nice way to be fluid and not get stuck into having to have the stock do one thing for you and be like, yeah, it's going to do this. Nice, Tesla.
Check out MONA.
Well, I got this level 1 on Tesla that's working off the VWAP.
MONA.
mRNA, okay.
And NBIS.
Hold on, I'm gonna, okay. mRNA, NBIS?
NBIS.
MB, oh yeah, you mentioned that before. What the heck?
AMB.
NBIS. I have no MBIS.
NB.
Oh, NBUS. NBIS. Yeah, NBIS looks great. I love the consolidation. Really nice.
It's inside day though, so.
I know, I hate that, man. I wish it was outside day because then I'd feel a lot more confident about.
MSTR. It's gonna go now.
Oh, it is? Okay, I gotta get back in there. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's going. Let me do small shares and then I'll add to it if it closes. Okay, great. Small shares. I'm in small shares on Tesla. I'm thinking targeting pivot low. That'd be pretty nice.
Oh, MSCR moving nicely.
Yeah! Woo! See, I love MSCRs daily. That's what I think made MSCR such a great trade because it broke under yesterday's low,
it's a downtrend
and then came
stock.
back to test it.
Yep, it's a downtrend stock.
Yeah, I was looking at all these guys that trade without any indicators at all, and no moving average, no VWAP or anything, and all they use is previous day's high, previous day's low.
Crazy.
and they'll basically look for retests.
Yeah.
So like this trade, MSTR, exactly what that option insider guy would have done. And he made over 30K last week trading just that. And he posted a video yesterday showing all his trades,
Yeah.
going over every single trade, and it was pretty amazing. I was like, okay, every single trade was the same. Like no, just kind of like how Jin was trading always the counter trend trade, the knife catches, only long too.
Yeah.
Like that's what this guy does. He does only one thing. He'll go long or short, but he only does retests of prior day's high and prior day's lows. So like, that's what he does. That's all he does. Or a break of prior day's high or a break of prior day's low. So I think on Tesla on Friday, he did amazing because it just broke over prior day's high. And he was like, okay, I'm in this. And he holds. The thing is, he doesn't even hold that well. Like, he'll take partials right into, when he's getting a little bit of movement in his favor.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, Google dropping that down.
What do you think about MU? MU looks like a moving average crossover now.
Okay.
Green bar getting ignored.
You're fighting a bunch of things that the 20s to below that.
Fighting all those moving averages right there,
and
yeah.
The 200.
That's what makes it hard. Versus like my short on hood, beautiful.
Yeah, I mean,
just really easy.
You can do like a scalp, I guess, on MU.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Scalp MU to the 200.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if we get continuation move on this Tesla. I did that level 1 on Tesla right off the VWAP.
Nice.
So that was nice. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, let's see. Get some continuation here. There we go. Come on, Tesla. Yeah, baby.
This how you could have made like 5 on Tesla?
Yeah. Okay, Teach
me. Because like, so you got that, so you have a conviction that can come down, right?
Yeah, I took the level 1, the first 5-minute level 1. So how would I have made, 5R on this? I'm just trying to figure out.
So let's say you, because I guess for me, this one, I don't know how I would trade it, but like, let's say like for your conviction, obviously this hindsight, like you took that level 1, right? And then it's already kind of put in somewhat a solid candle. And then it's come down, so like okay, you have conviction that's gonna retest a low day. Maybe this whole candle it can be like big candle.
Okay.
So like as it come down, just put in the order, like add to it, add it small, as it go down. But don't.
How many times am I adding? Just
until you're comfortable with, until you're no longer comfortable, stay in it. I would say you can add 2 more times.
Okay, so
let's say it breaks your previous candle, you can add to that, right?
So like MSTR, would you add here or no?
No, because it's already 3 bars already. I wouldn't add.
Okay, so you have certain rules. If it's already on 3 bars, then you don't add.
Yes.
But if it's on the second bar moving.
Yeah, I think on the second bar and you have a location where you think it's gonna go.
Yeah.
You just can add into it about 2 more times, depending on how aggressive you want.
Is there any way you could annotate that? Like post a chart in the group, like showing like, okay, here's where you get in with this many shares, and then you add the same amount. Do you tend to add the same amount of shares as your?
Yeah.
So like, let's say it's at 10 shares for 1R, and you get in, you're risking 1R.
This is how I might do it on Tesla. Let's say you in 10 share on the level 1, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add 5 share as it come down. That's probably safer. That's slightly safer. That way your average cost might stay still, not too much.
Mm.
But
Okay,
yeah,
so
you have to have that conviction that it's gonna
And
be tested.
is your entry still the same exact type of entry as the level 1 that I took, or are you doing an even tighter entry? Are you like trying to do a special sauce as it's going up? Like what is your?
Well, on the thing is like Tesla, I don't know how I would trade because I don't have a pattern like the moving average. You know, it's going down, where the stock going up. So and it's above the VWAP, so I wouldn't trade it. I didn't trade it at all.
Yeah,
Because
you did.
but
I took that level 1, but
yeah, that level 1. But then you're going against the 8 and the 60, but it works.
yeah.
I wouldn't do it
Okay.
because I could sit in the shop. That's why I don't want to do it.
Okay, I get it. So let me open up Google then.
But if you have that
That way I have a little bit better. So let's open up Google.
Okay, alright, Google.
So when you jumped into Google, that was a level 1 right off the VWAP. That was beautiful. Did you jump in at 9:55?
Give me one sec. I record that one so you can see it better when how I did it. So basically, it came down, and then it's still below the VWAP actually. Let me see. Let me look at the 2 minute real quick. Yeah, I didn't jump in on I jumped in before the 2 minute even put in a level 1.
Oh wow! So you were anticipating.
Yeah, I'm just going.
So you saw Google come down.
Yeah.
To the VWAP, and as it was going into the VWAP, and it was a red bar.
Yeah.
You bought that red bar, or did
you
buy the next?
No, I'm waiting for the next bar. It came down. It's hit the 8.
Okay.
And then
I get it. Okay, so what you did is you watched Google go down and hit the VWAP.
Break through the VWAP.
You waited, and you didn't buy that next green. How did you know which bar then was going to be the green bar, like prior to jumping in? That's my question.
Oh,
like,
okay.
How did you know?
So it's put in two red bars, and it's a strong stock. So I'm like, it's running into the even though this the VWAP, it's technically still hasn't really like stay below the VWAP yet. You know what I mean? The whole candle.
So you're seeing the 2 bars on the 5 minute go down, and then you're zooming into a 2 minute time frame, and you're just looking.
No, I didn't. I just have a stop underneath the current candle, which is.
But it went underneath it though.
It did, yes. But to me, that's nothing because often those things are fake.
Yeah, totally. But so were you down in our unit when?
No.
Oh no. Okay,
because once I put it in order, it just keep going up, and I'm staying. Actually, it came down about maybe half an hour, I think. But because it's kind of like fluctuate. But then overall, I'm still like green, I guess, on it. It's pretty much it's above like. I don't know. Watch my video later when because I have the entry zoom in. You can see the entry much more clearly.
Okay.
Yeah, and see what you think of it because yeah. Wow, Google come back down to my exit.
Oh, look at Hims now. Hims is red on the day. It's at the opening print.
Your SA then might go back there.
Hello? Huh? Oh, yeah, you mentioned something.
Your SA might come back.
SA? Oh. Yeah, I didn't get it. What happened?
The only thing I don't like with SA is that it's below the 8.
Oh. But it's hitting the 15 minutes opening range.
Yeah.
It looks like we go now.
It's choppy right now.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what it's gonna do.
MSTR is still going down. Could add to it. I don't know now. I think it's a little bit too close for comfort. Okay, now I kind of want to go counter trend on some stuff. Like, I want to take a long on Hood. You know?
On
It's
Hood?
like, yeah, I just want to try a level 1 right here. To the long side. A little level 1 up. There we go. Nice spikeroo. This is how easy trading can be, you know?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'm only taking small shares though, just to practice these counter trend trades. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, right into the pivot low.
Yeah.
You know, so a mirror zone. So now I'm thinking about special sauce to the downside. You know.
Yeah.
But we'll see. I also have to be mindful of the daily chart because we are at a moving average on the daily chart, and there is a likelihood that.
Check this one out.
Sure.
HSAI.
SAI.
HSAI. It has a sharp gap. Oh.
SAI.
We're going to the A on.
I don't have anything with SAI.
No, HSAI.
Oh, HSAI. Oh. Yeah, I see that. It is looking like a shot gap, but it's not underneath yesterday's low yet, so that's tricky.
Yeah, also you go into the 8 moving average, so not a.
Oh, I hate that, yeah.
Not a good long.
Yeah, those are very annoying. Well, it looks like the market is pushing higher, so that's very interesting.
Yeah. Also, the SA then is not going up. Weird.
Mm-hmm.
I saw this video. They were saying the market's going to continue to rally, usually until the Fed announces its rate cut.
Oh,
when?
Okay.
I think coming in soon, this week maybe. So they think the market's going to rally up into the rate cut, and then depending on what the rate cut is, will signal whether or not there's going to be a sell-off. Because if the rate cut is really drastic, because they're doing it out of fear of a recession,
Mm-hmm.
or whatever it is. You know, I guess I don't know what the big guys think. You know, but.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's this Wednesday.
This Wednesday, yeah.
Yeah. So Wednesday we need to be careful.
Oh, totally. I know. Most likely, until that even happens, all the stocks are probably just going to go sideways.
Yeah.
MSTR, I think, is getting close to support here on the daily.
Okay.
There's a bear version of MSTR, which is MSTZ. MSTZ, I think. Yeah, MSTZ. It's cheaper. It's $5. So if you ever wanted to go go short on MSTR, but as a swing trade now,
Yeah.
you can take MSTZ, and it looks like a swing trade to the upside right now. Look at MSTZ.
Yeah, it's exactly opposite.
It's like it could go up to $10. So, I mean, that guy Michael Saylor to me is such a scam artist. He's basically, his company does nothing. Like, if you look at what their company, it's a software company, but they don't do anything. They don't sell software. They don't do anything. So what he does is he just buys Bitcoin with the shares, with the shares. So he sells his shares, and he dilutes shares. So he'll print more shares, basically,
Yeah.
of his company, and then buy more Bitcoin. And so when Bitcoin goes up, originally he thought, I guess his idea was that his stock would be a representation of Bitcoin, but the Ricky Gutierrez brought up an interesting view. He said, why would you buy his company when you can just buy Bitcoin? If you're buying his company because it represents Bitcoin, why not just buy Bitcoin? It doesn't make any sense. And I was like, yeah, you're right. Like, why would you buy a second-rate version of something that is not Bitcoin, but it represents Bitcoin? It's like, no brainer. That's stupid, right?
Yeah.
So it's finally showing a separation from Bitcoin now, because Bitcoin will go up, but MSTR is not going up with it. So Ricky Gutierrez was saying when Bitcoin drops, MSTR will get really pummeled bad, because MSTR is almost like a bad version of Bitcoin, you know?
Yeah.
So, and because his company is only worth what it's worth because it has so much Bitcoin as its reserve or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in MU. I don't know if this is going to keep going. Targeting the pivot low. Just a little scalp. You know, I'm not super bearish on it. I think that it's still green on the day, but maybe it'll come down. Back down to the pivot low. Tesla looks like it's just going sideways now, so I don't know what to do on that. And luckily I have an hourly chart to show me that it's actually just an hourly pullback right now.
I see.
So that's not something I want to be trying to go against. Like, look at the hourly chart. Nice big green move up, and then, you know, a couple candles down now on the hourly.
Yep.
Pulling back right into the moving averages.
Yep.
So, looking at MU as well. MU doesn't have that look. MU just looks like almost like a breakout failure on the hourly. So that's better.
Oh.
I really need to get in the mindset of like thinking longer term. You know, as I'm in a trade, like thinking what the longer term players are thinking before I jump in. It doesn't have to be that I have to align with them, but I just have to be cognizant of the possibility of their choices.
SA may talk here.
SA?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. SA. That's a nice level 1 off the VWAP.
Yeah.
Secondary signal, too. Because the first one triggered and it failed. But you're already at that prior pivot that it created earlier. So,
yeah.
I mean, I guess you could do a small amount and then look to add if it gets over that.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay, so on the weekly, it could get into a resistance area on the weekly.
Oh, okay. Let's take a look. Mm-hmm.
Hey guys.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
I'm not sending this to brag, but just want to share. For swing trade.
Who's Brad?
Oh, hold on. I'm not trying to brag.
Oh, brag.
Share.
Brag. Oh, yeah. No, that's okay.
No, you can brag. You can brag.
Look at I just want to encourage output on my Nvidia a month for swing trade and make over $5,000.
Nice.
Oh, amazing.
Nice.
That's amazing, Len.
Good job. Congratulations.
Yeah, good job.
No, just want to share, you know.
Yeah.
No, totally. Yeah, share away. That's fine.
No,
I have 390 shares of NVIDIA from $90.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have like 200 shares.
Oh, nice.
Way below like $123.
Oh, nice. Okay.
But this one I'm gonna trading like swing trade. So what I'm trying to say, you know, like if we do a swing, we can make income on one stock.
Yeah, that's true. Did you see the swing trade I sent you? A couple ideas. They look really good.
The one you sent me on the weekend.
Yeah, there's another one I found. I think it's called Ultra. Take a look at ULTA, Ulta? Yeah, Ulta. Wait, no, maybe it's not that one. Nope, it's not that one. It's Estee Lauder. EL, my bad. EL. Estee Lauder.
Yeah, I think it's EL.
It's EL? Okay.
Yeah.
If you go to like a weekly chart, you can see how the weekly 8 and 20 and they're all now in alignment now. The only thing that's not in alignment is that 200, but it's so far away up at like 161.
Oh yeah, I forgot to follow up with this. You sent me on the weekend.
Yeah, it hasn't triggered yet. So I just have my trigger over that top of the 96 59, and I think a stop loss would be great around 82. So you're risking, you're risking a big size for what we think about, because it's like, wow, okay, you're telling me I'm gonna risk like over what is it, like almost around $16, and it's like, yeah, it's fine. You just take the amount of shares that would be equivalent to your risk, but your target to the upside is like all the way up at 150. Where that top of that pivot is. So thinking in long term, because it's a weekly time frame, if you look at it, if you want to see it really clear, look at it on the monthly. You can see it's basically, I'm just waiting for it to break over the monthly short that's happening right now. And it's basically, it'll be like a higher pivot high, and then I'm targeting like the 158 or something. But who knows? It may never trigger. I'd rather have my stop losses, my stop entries placed pretty far away, and they never get triggered versus, trying to get like the tightest entry I can, and then I get triggered, and then it goes against me. And then I'm like, oh, I gotta sit through this. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm gonna get out of some stuff now. Nothing's going anywhere.
We miss Apple, guys.
Did it really keep dropping?
No. It's a counter trend.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I guess
Yeah, it had the level 1 and then it failed.
Yeah.
That level 1, I think, was worse than the type of level 1 that I did on Tesla. And the reason why is you have the 8-period moving average curving up when it was doing it.
Yeah.
Mine wasn't curving up. It was just going sideways. So at least I had that going for it. But yeah, Apple looks like a long. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, also take a look where it almost got to. It got to like yesterday's, pre-market low. Pre-market low. No, was it pre-market low? I'm trying to see. I have some line on my chart that it stopped at. So I'm trying to think. Oh, take a look at MBS. MBS is at pre-market low. That's why.
Wait.
It's bouncing? Wait, no, that's not right. Hold on, this study's wrong. Hold on, let's see. Open low, pre-market low, previous day low. Okay, let's see. Previous day high, previous day low, previous day close.
Are you talking about MBIS?
Yeah, pre-market high, pre-market low. Oh, never mind. I need to get rid of some of these things. Show high of day and show low of day. This study gives you every level, so I just realized and it has day open. Oh.
Oh, here's something to make a big trade on.
Yeah, what's up?
Oracle.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Oracle pulling back and then yikes, sir. Yikesy.
You can try that short and add until you hit the 60. That could be a good strategy.
Yeah, that could. Although, yeah. I don't disagree. I think it's not bad.
But it hasn't triggered. It's coming back up, so probably won't trigger.
Yeah, totally. Oh man, I missed the level 1 on HUD. Remember I said it was gonna come back and retest that mirror zone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna take a late entry. See if we get the little drop. Late entry on HUD. Nah, that's not a good idea. I'm just gonna get out. Small win. I don't like that. I should have gotten in way earlier. If I get in now, I'm like way too late. I can't, I have to risk the candle that I'm in.
Yeah.
Okay. Tesla might be a pivot break under here, but it's consolidating sideways. It's interesting when you have two things telling you different things. It makes trading hard. Like I look at Tesla and